Catch it, Sophie! Fast! I got it! Watch this. Oh no, the window is broken. Dad is going to be so angry. Quick, hide the ball before someone sees. What do we say happened? We can say a cat jumped on the window.
What happened to the window?
A cat broke it, Dad. It jumped really high.
A cat did this? That's strange. I will look outside for cat tracks.
What if he finds the ball?
Dad, can I talk to you for a second?
Sure. What is it?
I think you should talk to Ben and Sophie again. Kindly.
Okay. I will. I don't think a cat broke the window.
It was us. We were playing ball inside.
Breaking the window was an accident, but hiding it was a mistake.
We were scared. We didn't want you to be angry.
I am glad you told me the truth now.
I was there too. I wanted you both to share the truth on your own.
Thank you for not telling on us right away.
You two will help me fix this together. That is your job now. That is your job now.
Okay, Dad, that's fair. We promise no more ball games inside the house.
Good. Now let's go clean up the glass together.